how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay on Coinbase. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay on Coinbase. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Coinbase app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So, in order to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay, you have to first add your Apple Pay account in Coinbase. To do so, you have to tap on this icon. Then tap on Profile and Settings. Then tap on Add a payment method. Then tap on Bank account and click on Continue. After that, just follow the next steps and enter your credentials and your Apple Pay account will be added. After that, move back to the main page of the app. Then tap on Buy and Sell. Then tap on Buy. After that, select Bitcoin. Then enter the worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and in the Pay with section, select your Apple Pay account that you have added and tap on Review Order. After that, tap on Buy Now. So that's how you can buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay on Coinbase. That's all for this video.